The benefits of learning to play a musical instrument. Learning to play a musical instrument is not only a fun and enjoyable hobby, but it also offers numerous benefits for individuals of all ages. Whether it's strumming a guitar, playing the piano, or blowing a trumpet, the act of playing a musical instrument has a positive impact on our mental, emotional, and cognitive well-being. One of the key benefits of learning to play a musical instrument is its impact on brain development. Playing an instrument engages multiple areas of the brain simultaneously, stimulating neural connections and enhancing cognitive abilities. Numerous studies have shown that learning to play an instrument improves memory, attention span, and problem-solving skills. It also strengthens the brain's ability to process and interpret information, which can have a positive impact on academic performance and overall cognitive function. Playing a musical instrument also promotes creativity and self-expression. Music is a universal language that allows individuals to express their emotions and ideas in a unique and personal way. Whether it's composing original pieces or interpreting existing ones, playing an instrument provides a creative outlet for self-expression. It allows individuals to convey their thoughts and feelings through the beautiful language of music, fostering a sense of fulfillment and satisfaction. Furthermore, learning to play a musical instrument has been shown to reduce stress and promote relaxation. The act of playing music requires focus and concentration, which helps divert attention away from daily worries and concerns. The rhythmic patterns and melodies created by playing an instrument have a calming effect on the mind and body, promoting a sense of relaxation and tranquility. Engaging in music can also release endorphins, which are natural mood-enhancing chemicals that promote feelings of happiness and well-being. Playing a musical instrument is also a social activity that encourages collaboration and teamwork. Whether it's playing in a band, joining an orchestra, or participating in music lessons, learning an instrument provides opportunities to connect with others who share a common passion. It fosters a sense of belonging and community, allowing individuals to develop social skills, build friendships, and learn the importance of teamwork. Collaborating with others in a musical setting also enhances communication skills and teaches individuals to listen and respond to others, creating a harmonious and cohesive musical experience. Additionally, learning to play a musical instrument cultivates discipline and perseverance. Mastering an instrument requires regular practice, patience, and dedication. It teaches individuals the value of hard work and the importance of setting goals and working towards them. By overcoming challenges and gradually improving their skills, individuals develop a sense of achievement and self-confidence. These qualities are transferable to other areas of life, helping individuals succeed in academic pursuits, careers, and personal relationships. Lastly, playing a musical instrument brings joy and happiness. Music has the power to evoke emotions, uplift spirits, and create memorable experiences. Whether it's playing for oneself or performing in front of an audience, the joy and satisfaction that come from playing an instrument are unparalleled. Music has the ability to transport individuals to a different realm, providing an escape from the stresses of everyday life and filling it with beauty and harmony. In conclusion, learning to play a musical instrument offers a multitude of benefits, including enhanced brain development, improved cognitive abilities, and increased creativity. It also promotes relaxation, reduces stress, fosters social connections, and cultivates discipline and perseverance. Playing a musical instrument is a rewarding and enriching experience that brings joy, happiness, and a sense of fulfillment. So, pick up that instrument you've always wanted to learn and embark on a musical journey that will positively impact your life in numerous ways.